Waiting for Zach. It'll be the last time, probably.
Hey, I got you on speaker.
All right. That should work out really well in your car.
Oh my God. So I tried the headset, but it wasn't working. We'll see what happens. I might try to plug the headset back in.
Well, worst case scenario, we can just text through this thing.
Yeah, no big deal. I'm going to try to plug in my headset and see what happens.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, awesome.
All right, so remember, this car is insured, so for insurance reasons, it's just a safety drill.
Oh my God. I've never been connected to so many wires in my car in my life.
Now, if I get in a wreck, it's going to take them 20 minutes just to untangle me. Maybe like 13 sets of iPhone speakers in your pocket. They're telling us to go, but we're not going.
We're not going? Looks like we're going to me.
Wow, it is foggy.
That's great. Oh, I see CW up there.
Oh yeah. Apparently he's only running on 5 cylinders, or at least he teed up that excuse already.
Well, that'll compensate for the cheater cams. I'm getting moisture on my windshield. I think you're blowing out gasoline.
It's probably just a mixture of coolant and gas.
Oh, okay, good.
Well, I'll tell you, the cabin of a 911 is much noisier when it's connected to the cabin of an E30 with a V8 in it. Really compromises the luxury.
I'm sorry about that. If I had windows, I'd roll them up for you.
I actually just rolled mine down. I'm shocked I haven't been black flagged for that. Thought it was just getting a little too cold in here.
There's a high probability that this iPhone cord is going to cause me to money shift.
You're not an E36. You're immune to that, I think.
Or just plow into the back of you, one of the two.
Well, I'd rather you do that than I money shift.
Well, we both have Geico, so I'm sure they'd be fine with that. It would make it really easy to sort out who's paying for it.
Totally off the record. If I blow the motor, I'm going to let you know and just nail me. We got it totally.
Here we go. Yeah, John's car is nice and loud.
Yeah, I can't really even hear mine. Only thing I can hear is his car and my hangover, really.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go. What are we on, Interstate 95?
Looks like it. There's our buddy Craig.
That was fun.
Whoa, Mustang!
Oh, I'm passing you on accident, by the way.
I saw that accident coming.
Totally planned that.
Watch out for that Mustang, by the way. He brakes very, very early.
No kidding.
Here comes Craig on the inside. Oh, I left him room. He didn't take it.
He didn't take it?
He didn't take it. There's a serious Miata problem on this track. They need to spray it or something.
What'd you say?
There's a serious Miata problem. They need to spray it or bring in somebody to take care of this infestation they've got. These things are everywhere.
Datsun Pest Control needs to get out here soon. Alright, just got the point. We gotta go get John.
Alright, bring him back.
I'll get in front of him and block him for you.
Oh, there you go. Hit the air brakes.
I can hear your wind noise on the front straight.
All 18 miles an hour. Every time I go over 55, I get a failure spoiler control alert. Because I don't have a trunk lid. The car's very concerned about it.
I can't hear shit, I'm behind John.
I don't think John wants to hang out with us anymore.
He wants to play.
I cannot catch this little S2000. Come on! Nemesis! Whoa!
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, he's driving the shit out of that thing.
What, the back?
Yeah. He's faster than me, and he's got half the tire. I'm going to stay behind him. God, he can wheel that thing. It's incredible.
Oh, my mom's calling me. I'm just going to go ahead and merge the two calls, I think.
He's still right behind me. Amazing.
Whew. I'm hustling back here, man.
All right, I can hear you now. John's behind me.
Slow him down.
Alright. Let's see if I can get him to slow down.
I just let this S2000 by me, so I got off pace for a minute.
Just wait. No, John, no! Where are you going? He didn't get it. Alright, I'm gonna wait for you. Alright, we got a caution flag anyways. Got a waving yellow up at the roller coaster. We got somebody off in the middle of the track, so slow way down.
Oh yeah, it's a great spot.
Yeah, I like to park there.
Perfect view.
They surprisingly don't ticket there. Oh, we got a black flag.
Oh shit!
What happened?
came and almost hit me, had to go off to avoid me.
Holy
He went
shit.
up to race pace at the black flag.
Nice.
Freaking mid-engine Porsche drivers.
God, I could not get John to slow down.
Yeah, I think we should beat him up when we get back.
Oh,
Think how
yeah.
much fun we could have had.
Yeah.
Either that or you guys should give me a hard time for being so slow. I'm not sure which one it is.
We were going as slow as we could.
Well, me too.
Oh, God.
God, the fog is still there.
I know, it's nuts. Man, after all these years of recording Zach 33 videos, we finally got one with Stu.
Nobody likes Stu anyways, though.